Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and emotions on OUKITEL WP20. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, select System at the bottom and go for the gestures. Here we have one option, which is Quickly Open Camera. You can activate it, and to quickly open camera, press the power button twice and it works from any screen. And it goes like this. There's a power key right here. Yep. Double press on it and it should launch your camera. Then I saw different gesture options, so let's see if there's anything else. We can go to our settings. At the bottom there's gesture settings and there's 3 fingers screenshot. So scroll down your 3 fingers from top of the screen to take a screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.